Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I am going to show you a couple of theories on market reversals using candlestick patterns. So it all started back here a few days ago. I was looking at Marabuzu line. In this video here I posted called Market Reversal with Marabuzu line Python TA lib demo. So from there, I expanded it and started testing some other theories using TALib, technical analysis library, in Python with the Python demo code included to show potentially most reliable candlestick patterns, which came from a website called thepatternSite.com, which seems to have gone great lengths to report on what is reliable and what's not. And again, some of the accuracy is up to 80%. So then I'm doing a webinar event tonight, which I may include, but not in full detail on this. So I've done further analysis. Today is June 25th, 2018. I've downloaded the latest set of data for cryptocurrencies from Binance, and it's also filtering out any volume that has to be at least 10 million. So there's not as many as there could be, but there is enough charts and data to work with. Alright, so let me pull up the folder here. Just give me a second here. And we shall get started. Okay, so here's all the PNG files, the charts. What I want you to look at is a few things in the file name. This is the symbol name. I'm only working with daily data, not working with monthly or hourly. This is the name of the actual pattern. And then this right here is the bear or bullish signal. So with the return codes coming from TALib, it's either a negative 100 or 100. That's it. So it's either bearish or bullish. Simple as that. So here in this case we have a separating line, a bearish signal, and it's for the last 30 days. And I've purposely left it for 30 days. I could essentially, when I go into production, live trading, I'm going to want maybe the last week or two to show the latest candlestick for a potential market reversal. And we don't want to go beyond that. But some of these candlesticks take a bit of time to form. So again, it can still break down, but we're going to go through that here and just figure out what's reliable or not. So I'm also going to pull up my Google here, and again the site is called the Pattern Site. So here it's this different very detailed descriptions on candlestick patterns for market reversal, and I've already shown you in one of those past videos. So knowing all that, let's get into the process. So again, we're starting down here at the ZIL Ethereum, and I'll show you the first one right here. So in here in the chart, it's very important we understand this. Again, daily, is it bearish, bullish, and the trading symbol or the pair. But here's another thing that I've put in here is the detected the pattern and at what bar. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, this is the bar we're speaking of. So again, when we look at these, you can see here what are the more common patterns. We have this separating line, Rickshaw Man, harmonic cross, 3 outside. That seems to be the most common. Separating lines, we've already met matching low, Marabuzu, hammer, and then you can see if there's anything else outside of that. Inverted hammer, 3 outside, I think we've already shown, and that is it appears. Yes, you can see those are the most common ones. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go through all of these, but this pair I do like because this seems to be both volatile and has a nice trend up. So let's go through the first set and see what we come up with. Okay, so we've got this separating line at bar 13, which we assumed there. So let me just pull up the, what's the name of the pattern again? It's called separating lines. So separating lines. So is that, I think that was a bearish. No, that's a bullish. So this is the process I'm going to go through. So here what I look for is the reliability factor. Frequency, overall performance, 63%, meeting price target. So that's around a 63% accuracy rate, and he's worked on, this is we're doing a serious back test of over 4 million bars. So here's our combination right here, bullish separating line. So that's what we're looking for, this look. So if I go in here, where is my preview? So let's check it out. So we have here our RSI, we have our momentum. So you can see here on the bar 13, it's bizarre because it's saying, oh, I'm sorry, that's a bullish. Sorry, bearish, bearish. So we want bearish separating lines. So it will look like this. So the accuracy, 67%, best percent, meeting price target, 67% of the time. Let's see how that looks. I'm not sure if that's something to get excited about. So I'm not sure which average this is. So this is the EMA 200 30-day average. So we know we're in a bearish territory because we've hit our SMA 20. So once, and here's our, I don't see the 50, but we can definitely see we're definitely entering into a bearish territory. So here we have our signal, and then we start to know that our SMA 20 is now lower than the EMA. So that's definitely an EMA of something going on. And then you can see here it's triggered a pile of other patterns here. So we have here the outside bearish. It has gone very interesting because here now it's gone bullish, and that's as of today on, as I said, June 25th. So here we can see we've hit a value of as an opportunity, and that's why we get this big bar here, because that's probably, this right here has triggered the bars or the momentum to go down, and it's obviously triggered a selling opportunity. Again, there's always these algos sitting out there on Binance, retrieve, so there is a form of confirmation here. So let me just look at this pattern series. So here's our pattern we want right here, and I think it was this one or this one. So it did send out another pattern here, so maybe, just maybe. So here detected at bar 26. So as I said, we are 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be it. Or let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this bar looks like it's referring to one of these 3 bars. So if that's the case, that is now saying it is outside, and that's a 3 outside. So let's check out what that means. 3 outside, and that was a bearish because of the negative. So we want 3 outside up, 3 outside down, I'm assuming. Okay, so you want, if you sell after 10 days, a drop after a downward is pathetic. So this does not look like it might mean anything. So frequency, overall performance rank, best performance meeting 55% of the time, bull market up, breakout. So looking for any characteristics that might mean anything. You may want a drop after a downward breakout. It's pathetic. Few upward breakouts do much better by multiple of 2 or 3. The worst performing is a downward break in a bull market. Avoid that scenario. It has a frequency trading of 21. Okay. So interpreting, what I'm trying to interpret here is when you look at one of these. So obviously this has gone into a bear market. We can see that oddly it shows up here but not here, the RSI, because it's the same chart. I find that really bizarre. But you can see here momentum's definitely died off. So I'm going to assume it's down in here, and one of these triggers this excessive downward momentum. And obviously you can see here the volume's gone up too. Another interesting situation. So now we have, okay, so we have, oh man, I'm looking at these wrong patterns here. Okay, so we have a separating line, let's confirm that. Separating line, okay, so now we want to look at, was it Rickshaw? Now, from my past experience, we have here now, I remember that Rickshaw Man is not that accurate. Let me just make sure. Rickshaw Man. Yeah, and I believe that was saying it's a bull, but the Harami cross, let me just pull that up, Harami cross. Some of these you're going to have to learn to ignore, but under what conditions is something. Harami cross. Here we go. Harami cross. So that was a bullish, or sorry, bear. So now, let's see. That's a bullish, but we want bearish. Bearish Harami cross. Let's hope that's what we want. Okay, so this is the pattern. So there was 3 days, 30, so it's a 69% accuracy. Ranks are out of, so it's overall performance ranks not that great, it looks like. Existing trend 50%, I still consider that near random. So don't get excited, we know that. That is downright the worst performing candle pen can rank 100, where one. So Harami, with this, the overall performance is 85. So I'm not too happy about that, so I'm putting together a list of what patterns to dump. So that one I'm going to get rid of, just less analysis and analyzing and stuff. It's not reliable. So let's check out the Rickshaw Man on this one and see how this does. So the Rickshaw Man at bar 5, 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the Rickshaw Man is either one of these. Let me just pull that info up. And probably knowing Rickshaw Man, and I believe that was bullish. All right, so Rickshaw Man pattern site, black spinning top. Similar high wave candle, doji, candlestick. I don't know about. Candle theorists saw that a Rickshaw Man amounts to in this. I don't know about that. My tests show that's a continuation pattern, 51%, which is random. So I may get rid of this as well. So there we go, Rickshaw Man. Let's see if that is reliable or not. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is really this one because that's what we have. So, and the worst part was it says it's bullish. Where's the bull over those 5 days? No. So definitely we'll add that to this list. Rickshaw Man. All right. So we're gonna keep that. All right. So we've done that. So separating lines, the 3 outside one. So that's bullish. 3 outside. So again, that's at bar 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. 3 outside. 3 outside. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 3 outside. This is a very common pattern. And that was a bullish. I'm assuming we want up. So here is the pattern. I'm not seeing that at all. So the accuracy rate, overall performance, 34. Best percentage target, 47%. Acts as a bullish reversal 75% of the time. This is a very good reversal rate. So I should consider keep that just for that. But this is definitely wrong. Detected CDL outside at, and that's at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't see it. I mean, if it was to say going down, yes, then definitely there's accuracy there. But it ain't doing that. Okay, we'll ignore that one. So we have a bearish one now at bar 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one I would definitely go with. And what is that? So we want CDL outside, and that was bullish. Sorry, bearish. So 3 upside down. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Best means bearish signals 69% of the time. that are 38, best average 6.3, which are good. 3 outside. Three outside trading. Okay, so we have that are within third of the year best performer. Select tall candles. Okay. Appears in red on the daily. So actually here we are. For that black candle appears to engulf the body of the white candle. Sounds like a book needs to be bought here. So again, that's at 14. I believe it's somewhere in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If we refer to this one, and this one, I think there's definitely accuracy there. Okay, so let's keep that for sure. Separating lines. Now we've been through this one day on the Rickshaw Man. We're going to get rid of matching low. Okay, so again, this is a ZIT. So that is on bar 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's one of these three again. Okay. So matching low. Okay. Matching low. And that is a, what do we call that? A bullish. Matching low. That's a bullish sign. Okay. So matching low importance. Frequent 69%. Bullish reversal, but instead acts as a bearish continuation. 61% of the time has a frequency rate, which is a mid. You will be able to find this in a historical price series. The overall performance has a rank of 8, where 8, that is excellent. So this looks like it's a good pattern. So let me just see here. It's one of these guys. And what does it look like? So those two, pattern and circle, the trend downward and matching, which are both black. So tall, but the second need not. The closing is what matches in the matching low. Oh, I see. So closing price is what, but the question is, what's the time period on this chart here? That's an end of day chart. What matches in the matching low? Matching low in this acts as a reversal candle. Why? Thus the direction changes from high to top. So if we were to look at these, our matching low. So if that is bar 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it would definitely be one of these, but it's saying that the price should bounce after one of these, and this is the matching low, but it continued down. Bullish reversal is supposed to be, but yeah, instead acts as a bearish continuation, and that's what it does. So I would definitely keep that, saying that we would expect the bear condition to continue, if I'm not mistaken. Now remember, this is an excerpt from the book, so what I'm basing that on is 60, yeah, instead acts as a bearish continuation 61% of the time, and that's what it does. Along here, boom, along the bear continues. So I'm going with that. Okay, next one. So I'm only looking for the ones that we haven't talked about. So we now have a Marabuzu. This one, Marabuzu, we've talked about numerous times. Marabuzu. I think that is a reason why you'd want to keep it. Hey, Nick Trade's using it. Let me just get rid of all this crap. Okay, so now are we dealing with a bull or a bear? So that's a bear. So we want, I think it's a black Marabuzu. Yeah. Okay. So here is a black, all ranks with top performer based. Above numbers are based on hundreds of. So here's that bar. Marabuzu shown here is a tall black candle with no shadows. So our Marabuzu is, usually I find pretty good success with these guys. Marabuzu. Okay. So we are looking for bar 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not a big bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Interesting. I don't see anything on that. So here's what they refer to here. What's the accuracy rate on this guy? See, overall performance. Best percent, 78%. Black acts as a continuation candle, 50, which near random. This condition is not useful for anything, so I'll keep it for now, and we'll try to find another example of that. So the next one we look at is Zilt. Hang on. Whoa. I gotta make sure. See, I'm looking at the right chart here. Okay, we are. So I'm gonna look at this inverted hammer. That's a bear. Sorry, bullish. Yeah, it's positive 100. So that is at bar 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inverted hammer. So inverted hammer. Years ago, it started. A hammer is a single candle line in a downtrend, but an inverted is a two-line candle, also in a downtrend. Inverted is supposed to be a bullish reversal candle, but it really acts as a bearish continuation, meaning the trend end results in a good-sized move. So let me just get rid of that. So we have So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know about that. 0, 1, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And I'm not sure if this is useful, this one. Inverted hammer. Overall performance rank at 6, so you may want to keep that if it's that reliable. But acts as a bearish continuation 65% of the time, which it does. That might be it there. It's maybe this one. Or this one here. Because it's supposed to have no opposite wick. So if it's continuation, then that's true. Okay, so now we have a hammer. That is a bull, and that is bar 18. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now we go looking for a hammer. Another candle, miniature line, supposed to act as a bullish reversal, and testing reveals that it does 60%, placing the risk reversal quite respectable. So here we are. Not travel far based on the overall performance. Single line candle that appears in a downward price trend and signals reversal 60% of the time. Not bad, but it's also not far from random. Once it appears, the price breaks out. The move is unexciting, but the hammer appears frequently. So if you blow one trade, you can try. Okay, so what we figure, once again, it's bar 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That does look similar to this one, if it's that one. And it is a bull reversal, which it's not. So I'm not sure if that works all the time either, but that looks like that's the particular one we've looked for here. Don't know what to make out of that, but we may keep it for now. So let's see if, so the outside we are going to keep. So now we're moving, so we have here a bull, no, this is a bear on bar 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. This one right here, or no, let me just do it. 1, 2. Let me just see what we have here. Okay, so we've got outside. Now, have we done? Yeah, so we've done the outside, but that outside was bull. So this is a bear. So bear 3 outside. Upside down. Yeah, that's what we want here. Bearish reversal with a good record of reversing the upward price trend. Frequency of 21, so you'll be able to find it easily enough in historical. Could use some help, but what I mean does not trend as often as I'd like. Respectable though. You want to give the 3 outside down candles plenty of room to run. The drop after downward is pathetic. A few upward do much better by scenario 2 or 3. Okay. So let me just see what we have here. So we have bar 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. Now, if you ask me, that's correct. 2 down, and it continues down. If this is a bearish continuation, plenty of room to sell the drop. Now, if you read this part, this may be accurate. Upward breakouts do much better by multiples of 2 or 3. The worst performing configuration, downward break. It's the performance, so it's pretty accurate. So that looks like it's valid along here because we have this. And then it just drops somewhat. Not sure, but I'll keep it. Okay. So we're going to get rid of Rickshaw Man, outside hammer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up the code. So matching low. Do we keep that one as well? So hold on, we got matching. Don't think we've. Let's check out this one. That is TRX Ethereum. It's 27, so this should be right here at this bar. That's a bull. Bull didn't happen. So that's 3. Outside, no. Matching low. Yeah, I think we didn't like this one. Matching low. Matching low. Overall performance rank. So it's pretty high, 61%, 61, bearish continuation, 61% of the time. So that is on this 1, 2, 3, matching low. Yeah, I guess I'll keep it. Inverted hammer, Rickshaw Man, Marabuzu, Harami. So, looking for anything else that might be usable. So what we're getting rid of out of this batch is the Rickshaw Man and the Harami cross. The other ones I'll keep. And see how they do. I'm not sure if this really helps you out, but it gives you an idea of what patterns there are that are popular and which ones don't appear to work as well. So let's go with that for now. All right, hopefully this will somewhat, as I said, help you out later.